Hi friends, today we will discuss about Path of Travel tool in Revit 2020. Actually, this is a new update coming in the version 2020. The Path of Travel tool is used to determine the shortest distance between 2 points on a floor plan. This tool analyzes the geometry in the plane and goes around the obstacles and through doors to optimize the route. Let's move to the section and know more about it. Path of travel tool is on the analysis tab. Just click on the analysis tab. You can see the path of travel tool at the right end. Just click on that tool. The tool will be active. And click the beginning point of the path of travel and the end point. Now you can see a line that indicates the shortest path of travel between the two selected points. If you want to use a different line style for path of travel line, just go to line style menu and choose a line type from the drop down list. Here I choose the hidden line for my path of travel, just seen as a dotted line now. Then next I give a tag for the path of travel line. For that we go to annotate tab and click on the tag by category icon. Just place the mouse over the path of travel. You get a dialog box that there is no tag loaded for path of travel. For loading, just click yes and select a path of travel tag from the list. Click the path of travel tag and click open, and again place the mouse over the path of travel line. You get the details of that path of travel line. Here 11.56 meter is the length and 9 seconds will take to travel that distance. Next I move that dining table towards the path as an obstacle. What changes will make the path of travel we can see. Now the path of travel is changes. For getting that change we need to update first. For updating, just select the path of travel and you can see an update button at the top. Just click on it. Now we get a new path of travel of 12.18 meter length and same remain 9 seconds for traveling that distance. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe our channel.